At Milgard, our commitment to excellence is clear. We see every day as a window of opportunity, a chance to build the very best windows and doors that will be a part of your home for generations.
We certainly have the opportunity to engineer quality into the product, and we take great pride in doing that.
When you offer a full lifetime warranty, you'd better build products that last a lifetime.
Every product from the time of its inception in the design, quality is extremely important. One of the reasons quality is important is because Milgard has been in business for over 50 years, and the reputation of the company has been built on the quality of the products.
We have to ensure that when that window is installed in your home, it's going to last you a lifetime. The warranty that we include with our products demands that.
Our unrelenting quality control through every stage builds confidence into our windows and doors.
We do some tests that are proprietary to Milgard. If it's a new piece of hardware, we cycle test it, we load test it. Milgard warranties our product for lifetime, so we have to ensure that whatever we put out there will meet our exacting standards.
Milgard's supply chain represents procurement of raw materials, so we make certain when the engineers spec a new product that we go and find appropriate sources for those materials to build the windows. So that includes qualifying suppliers, making certain the quality standards and the product performance meets our requirements. So it's basically buying the materials that we need to build the windows the way we want them to perform with the quality standards we expect.
Your home deserves the very best. Choose windows and doors from quality people who are dedicated to building products to last a lifetime. Choose Milgard Windows and Doors.